In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private app in HubSpot and connect it to the HubSpot API using Power Automate. Let's get started by making sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look at the top of your screen and click on Settings. This is where we'll initiate the process of setting up the integration. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a panel with various options. What we need to do is find and click on the integration option. As you navigate through the settings, you might notice options like Connected Apps and API Key Management. However, our focus today will be on setting up a legacy app. Unfortunately, the private app option is accessible only to users on paid plans, but don't worry, legacy apps are still a viable option for our task today. They're not as secure as private apps, given they rely on API keys, but they still allow you to access vital HubSpot data like contacts, deals, and activities. So what are legacy apps exactly? Well, they're essentially the traditional way of linking external tools to HubSpot using API keys. While they've been phased out due to security concerns, like the risk of having API keys exposed, some legacy apps may still appear if they were created prior to the switch. Fortunately, these can still serve the purpose of integrating your systems with HubSpot until you transition to a plan that supports the more secure private apps. Now, let's proceed with creating the app. In your app settings, you'll notice a Create button. Clicking this button kicks off the process of setting up a new connection. This is where it gets interesting. Similar to setting up a private app, here you'll be prompted to enter crucial details such as the name of your app, a description, and then specify which data or tools the app should have access to. This process is integral in ensuring that the app is tailored to fit the exact needs for your integration. Once you've filled in all necessary fields and finalized your details, HubSpot will generate a secure token. Think of it as a specialized key that securely bridges your app and HubSpot. This token replaces the API keys previously used by legacy apps and ensures a more robust security framework. With this token, you're now ready to integrate your system confidently and safely with HubSpot. This step-by-step process ensures that even while using legacy apps, you have a workable solution in place. As HubSpot encourages users to move to private apps for better security and flexibility, always consider upgrading your plan to access these modern features. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Make sure to check out more of our videos for additional insights and step-by-step guides. See you next time.